Good holy everyone! In this video, I will discuss or introduce to you my household cleaning product and personal cleaning product and what are the active ingredients of this product. So let's go! First, my personal cleaning product is Bioderm Germicidal Soap. Bioderm Germicidal Soap protects from germs that can cause illnesses and body odor, gives 24 hours protection, and is safe on skin. It comes 6 variants with a coolness variants infused with a mentholate crystals that leave a cooling sensation on the skin. The ingredients of Bioderm Germicidal Soap. Ingredients and nutrition facts. Blend of sodium palmate and sodium palm kernelate. Fragrance. Menthol, farnesol, water, titanium dioxide, Penox ethanol, butylated, and hydrotulux C174160. Second is a household cleaning product, Zonrox. Zonrox delivers a 6-in-1 total clean for 99.9% antibacterial protection, whitening, deodorizing, eliminate of diseases, causing germs, removal of dust, stain, and dirt, and shortening of cleaning time. Zonrox Bleach goes beyond a surface cleaning by killing 99.9% of common viruses, bacteria, and fungi. The most active ingredients of Zonrox Bleach is a sodium hypochlorite. It is a strong oxidizer, and in the presence of oxidizing agent, it oxidizes the cell membrane of microorganism, which results in a loss of structures and leads to cellulitis and death. So, these are the 2 cleaning products that I usually use: the Bioderm Germicidal Soap and the Zonrox Bleach. Thank you!